The future of outdoor cooking has arrived. The world's most advanced ceramic grill and smoker moves forward into the digital age. The Automatic Firestarter's built-in heating coil sets charcoal ablaze with the push of a button. The Kontrol Board wields the flavor of charcoal with digital precision. Select your mode, set the temperature, get alerts, graph, adjust, and improve with each cook. The Kontrol Fan effortlessly maintains a consistent temperature. 3 separate meat probes are digitally monitored, and the Kamado Joe App allows you to control it all from your smartphone. The Konnected Joe brings pioneering technology to the already feature-rich grill and smoker. Like the ceramic body, which holds and evenly distributes heat for savory charcoal flavor conventional grills can't compete with. The airlift hinge significantly reduces dome weight. The Divide and Conquer multi-level cooking system allows a variety of foods to cook at their optimum temperatures, all at once. The slide-out ash drawer makes cleanup a breeze. And the Konnected Joe is compatible with all Kamado Joe classic accessories. This is innovation that will change the way we cook out. The Konnected Joe by Kamado Joe, the future of outdoor cooking.